Lights!
Welcome to Takyri's Bakery. Today we are going to make an Easter surprise cupcake. First you need to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 775 degrees Celsius. Grease 24 muffins cups or use paper liners. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set it aside. Cream together margarine, brown sugar, and white sugar in a large bowl until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Beat in flour mixture alternately with the milk, mixing just until incorporated. Fill each muffin cup 1/3 full and place a chocolate egg in the center of each. Top the remaining batter until cups are 2/3 full. Bake in preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes until golden brown and top springs back with lightly tapped.